words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things are being. The way that things are being. Second thought to tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one that they say that I'm the master of my sleep. The master of my sleep. I was broken from a young age. I turned my sinking to the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me to commission me, getting me singing from my heartache, from the brain, taking my message from the brain, speaking my message from the brain, seeing the beauty through the the blood in my veins, or